Hi, I'm Dr. Kumar Vadivel, a periodontist in the Dallas, Texas area. If you suffer from a sinus headache often and have difficulty in finding a remedy for it, I want you to think about the possibility of dental treatment for relief. This is especially important if you have tooth pain in the upper back teeth. These teeth are very close to your sinus cavities, and an infection in those teeth can easily spread to the sinuses. An infection in those teeth will also make it almost impossible to eliminate a sinus infection as long as these teeth problems are allowed to continue. Besides being unable to completely eliminate the sinus infection symptoms, increased swelling of your sinuses will put pressure on your teeth and the gums, making it painful to chew your food. It'll also probably produce a constant dull pain. People often confuse a sinus infection with a migraine. This is an easy way to tell the difference. The symptoms of a migraine include being bothered by bright light and noise, as well as possible nausea and vomiting. A sinus headache does not have those symptoms, but will include a stuffy nose, nasal discharge, an ache in your upper teeth, and even a possibility of a fever. When a dental problem is the cause and it is taken care of, your sinus headache will also disappear. It'll put an end to your sinus pain, and you will get to enjoy the life again. I encourage you to see a dentist near you today to get some lasting sinus pain relief.